Fenugreek, also known as methi, has long been a staple in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine. This humble herb is surrounded by myths and misconceptions, but it also holds a variety of health benefits and secrets that are worth exploring. In this article, we will debunk the myths surrounding fenugreek, delve into its numerous health benefits, and uncover some of its best-kept secrets. Plus, we'll even share a fenugreek-infused recipe that you can try at home. So, let's separate fact from fiction as we dive into the myth of fenugreek, explore its incredible benefits, reveal its hidden secrets, and even shed light on a possible fenugreek conspiracy. Get ready to discover the amazing world of fenugreek and all that it has to offer for your health and well-being. This versatile herb has been a key ingredient in the culinary traditions of India, the Middle East, and Africa for centuries. Its distinct flavor and aroma have made it a staple in countless dishes, from curries and stews to bread and pastries. In addition to its culinary significance, fenugreek holds immense cultural importance in traditional medicine practices. Its seeds and leaves have been used for their medicinal properties, believed to aid in digestion, promote lactation in breastfeeding mothers, and balance hormones in women. Across different cultures, fenugreek has been valued for its diverse range of benefits and applications. It has played a significant role in shaping cultural traditions and practices, passing down from generation to generation. Whether used to enhance the flavor of a dish or to address various health concerns, fenugreek continues to be cherished and respected in global cultures. Join us as we delve deeper into the cultural significance of fenugreek in various parts of the world and explore its influence on culinary traditions and traditional remedies. We aim to debunk the myths and shed light on the true benefits and secrets of fenugreek, separating fact from fiction. Additionally, we will explore the alleged fenugreek conspiracy that has created controversy and speculate about its origins. One prevalent myth surrounding fenugreek is that it can lead to harmful side effects or health complications. However, extensive scientific research has proven this myth to be untrue. On the contrary, fenugreek offers a myriad of health benefits that have been backed by evidence-based studies. The true benefits of fenugreek are remarkable. It is known to have anti-inflammatory properties, promote digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, support lactation in breastfeeding mothers, and even boost male reproductive health. Fenugreek has also been found to have positive effects on hair growth and skin health, making it a valuable addition to various wellness routines. However, despite these well-documented benefits, there are conspiracy theories that attempt to discredit fenugreek's positive reputation. Some claim that there is a hidden agenda behind the promotion of fenugreek, suggesting a conspiracy to manipulate its perceived benefits. Fenugreek seeds are not only known for their unique flavor and aroma, but also for their impressive nutritional profile. These tiny seeds are packed with essential nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. Let's delve into the nutritional value of fenugreek seeds and explore the vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds they contain. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of various vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and several B vitamins. Vitamin A supports healthy vision, while vitamin C boosts the immune system. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. And B vitamins play a crucial role in energy metabolism and the functioning of the nervous system. Fenugreek seeds contain an array of essential minerals, such as iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells, while calcium and magnesium support bone health. Potassium is crucial for maintaining proper heart function and fluid balance in the body, and zinc plays a role in immune function and wound healing. Besides vitamins and minerals, fenugreek seeds also contain beneficial compounds like fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. The fiber content in fenugreek seeds aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress and prevent cellular damage. Phytochemicals in fenugreek seeds have been linked to anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Understanding the nutritional value of fenugreek seeds can help you appreciate the importance of incorporating them into your diet. Whether you sprinkle them on salads, use them as a spice in cooking, or brew them into a tea, fenugreek seeds can be a valuable addition to a healthy and balanced diet. Fenugreek has long been recognized for its beneficial effects on digestive health. This herb has been used for centuries to alleviate digestive issues and promote overall digestive well-being. The key to fenugreek's digestive benefits lies in its unique combination of active compounds, including fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. These components work together to support a healthy gut and assist in the smooth functioning of the digestive system. One of the primary mechanisms behind fenugreek's positive impact on digestion is its ability to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down food and facilitating efficient nutrient absorption. By enhancing enzyme activity, fenugreek can help alleviate common digestive problems such as indigestion, bloating, and constipation. In addition to aiding digestion, fenugreek also has a soothing effect on the digestive tract. It helps reduce inflammation and irritation, which can contribute to a calmer stomach and improved overall digestive comfort. Furthermore, fenugreek's high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and helps prevent constipation. The fiber acts as a bulking agent, adding bulk to the stool and promoting smooth passage through the intestines. To harness the digestive benefits of fenugreek, it can be consumed in various forms. This includes adding fenugreek seeds or powder to meals, incorporating fenugreek leaves in salads or stews, or even consuming fenugreek supplements. However, it's important to note that fenugreek may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions or allergies. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating fenugreek into your diet or supplementation routine. Overall, understanding fenugreek's role in digestive health can help individuals make informed decisions about incorporating this herb into their wellness routine. By including fenugreek in your diet, you can support a healthy digestive system and experience the benefits of improved digestion and overall well-being. Studies have shown that fenugreek can have a positive impact on blood sugar levels, making it a valuable component of diabetes management. Fenugreek contains compounds that help regulate glucose metabolism, which can be especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Research has demonstrated that fenugreek supplementation can lead to lower fasting blood sugar levels and improved glucose tolerance. It can also help reduce insulin resistance, which is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. One of the main bioactive compounds in fenugreek, known as 4-hydroxyisoleucine, has been found to stimulate insulin secretion and enhance insulin sensitivity. These effects can contribute to better blood sugar control in individuals with diabetes. Incorporating fenugreek into your diabetes management routine is relatively simple. Fenugreek seeds can be soaked overnight and consumed in the morning, or they can be ground into a powder and added to smoothies, soups, or other dishes. Fenugreek capsules and herbal teas are also available as convenient options. It's important to note that while fenugreek can be a helpful addition to diabetes management, it should not replace other essential aspects of treatment, such as medication and a healthy lifestyle. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diabetes management plan. Understanding fenugreek's role in blood sugar control offers valuable insights into its potential as a natural remedy for diabetes. By incorporating this versatile herb into your routine, you may be able to support better blood sugar regulation and enhance your overall diabetes management. Fenugreek has long been recognized for its potential benefits in supporting women's health, particularly in lactation and hormonal balance. In traditional medicine, fenugreek has been used to promote milk production in breastfeeding mothers and to address hormonal imbalances in women. Many lactating women turn to fenugreek as a natural remedy to increase milk supply. The herb is believed to stimulate the production of prolactin, a hormone that plays a crucial role in lactation. By incorporating fenugreek into their diet, mothers may experience a boost in milk production, helping to meet the nutritional needs of their babies. Furthermore, fenugreek has been investigated for its potential benefits in addressing hormonal imbalances in women. It contains compounds that have estrogen-like properties, which may help regulate hormonal levels and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions such as menstrual irregularities and menopause. Research suggests that fenugreek may have a modulatory effect on hormones such as estradiol and progesterone, helping to restore balance in the female body. However, more studies are needed to fully understand the mechanisms and efficacy of fenugreek in hormonal balance. Overall, fenugreek holds promise as a natural remedy for various women's health concerns, from supporting lactation to promoting hormonal balance. As with any herbal remedy, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating fenugreek into your routine, particularly if you are pregnant or have underlying health conditions. Fenugreek has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for alleviating joint pain and arthritis symptoms. Scientific research has explored the anti-inflammatory properties of fenugreek and its potential role in relieving joint pain and inflammation. Understanding the fenugreek secret for joint health can provide insights into its potential as a natural alternative for managing arthritis. Fenugreek has gained attention for its potential in supporting weight management and combating obesity. Research has explored the metabolic benefits of fenugreek, including its effects on appetite, fat metabolism, and insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that fenugreek can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite, which may contribute to weight loss by decreasing caloric intake. Furthermore, fenugreek has been found to improve fat metabolism, possibly aiding in the breakdown of stored fat and facilitating its use as an energy source. In addition to its impact on appetite and fat metabolism, fenugreek has demonstrated potential benefits for regulating insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation, and individuals with obesity often have reduced insulin sensitivity, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Fenugreek has been found to enhance insulin sensitivity, which may help manage blood sugar levels and support weight management. Understanding the metabolic benefits of fenugreek provides valuable insights into its potential as a natural aid for weight management. Incorporating fenugreek into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle may offer advantages in combating obesity and promoting overall well-being. Fenugreek has gained attention for its potential benefits on male reproductive health. Several studies have shown that fenugreek can contribute to improved sperm count and increased testosterone levels, both of which are crucial for male fertility and overall reproductive health. The scientific evidence behind fenugreek's impact on male reproductive health is promising. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that supplementation with fenugreek extract resulted in a significant increase in sperm count and semen volume in men with low sperm count. Another study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences showed that fenugreek supplementation led to a significant increase in testosterone levels in healthy adult men. Testosterone plays a vital role in male reproductive health, influencing sperm production, sex drive, and muscle mass. Understanding the effects of fenugreek on male reproductive health can provide valuable insights into its potential as a natural supplement for men's wellness. While fenugreek should not replace medical advice or treatment, it may be beneficial to incorporate fenugreek into a balanced diet and lifestyle to support male reproductive health. Fenugreek offers a myriad of aesthetic benefits for the skin, making it a valuable ingredient in skincare. Its natural properties help defy the signs of aging, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. The antioxidants present in fenugreek seeds help combat free radicals, which can damage the skin and accelerate aging. By neutralizing these free radicals, fenugreek protects the skin from premature wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, fenugreek's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation, soothe irritated skin, and promote a more even complexion. To incorporate fenugreek into your skincare routine, you can create a homemade fenugreek face mask or use skincare products that contain fenugreek extract. A simple face mask can be made by blending ground fenugreek seeds with honey or yogurt to form a paste. Apply this mask to your face, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. This mask will nourish your skin, leaving it rejuvenated and supple. Using skincare products infused with fenugreek extract, such as serums, creams, or lotions, can also provide the benefits of fenugreek to your skin. Look for products that mention fenugreek in their ingredient list or explore natural skincare brands that specialize in herbal remedies. By incorporating fenugreek into your skincare routine, you can effectively defy skin aging and enjoy the aesthetic perks it offers. Fenugreek's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural and effective ingredient for maintaining youthful and vibrant skin. Fenugreek has been used for hair care for centuries and is believed to promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. The natural properties of fenugreek make it an excellent addition to hair care routines, providing numerous benefits for hair health. One of the key benefits of fenugreek for hair is its ability to promote hair growth. Fenugreek seeds contain compounds that can stimulate hair follicles and help in the growth of new hair strands. Regular use of fenugreek can lead to thicker and fuller hair. In addition to promoting hair growth, fenugreek also helps in strengthening hair follicles. This is important for maintaining healthy hair and reducing hair breakage. Strong hair follicles are less prone to damage and can contribute to healthier, more resilient hair. Using fenugreek in hair care routines is relatively simple. One common method is to prepare a fenugreek hair mask. To make the mask, soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. The next morning, Grind the soaked seeds to form a paste. Apply this paste to your scalp and hair and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Regular use of this hair mask can help in promoting hair growth and improving hair strength. In addition to hair masks, fenugreek can also be used as an ingredient in hair oils and shampoos. Fenugreek-infused hair oils can nourish the scalp and provide essential nutrients to the hair follicles. Fenugreek shampoos can help in improving overall hair health and reducing common hair problems such as dandruff and scalp irritation. Overall, fenugreek is a natural and effective ingredient for hair care. Its ability to promote hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and improve overall hair health makes it a valuable addition to any hair care routine. By incorporating fenugreek into your hair care regimen, you can unlock the secrets of luscious locks and enjoy the benefits of natural hair growth and maintenance. Indulge in a culinary adventure with this fenugreek-infused recipe that will elevate the flavors of your dishes. Fenugreek, with its distinct taste and aroma, adds a unique twist to various cuisines and is a staple in many Indian recipes. In this section, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to incorporating fenugreek into your cooking and highlight its culinary versatility. To begin, gather the following ingredients. 1 cup of fenugreek leaves, washed and chopped. 2 cups of basmati rice. 1 tablespoon of ghee or vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 inch piece of ginger, grated. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Salt to taste. 2 cups of water. Now let's get cooking. Heat the ghee or vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. Add the chopped onions to the pot and saute until they turn translucent. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pot and cook for another minute. Next, add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt to taste. Stir well to combine the spices with the onions, garlic, and ginger. Add the fenugreek leaves to the pot and saute for a few minutes until they wilt. Rinse the basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Add the rinsed rice to the pot and mix well with the fenugreek mixture. Pour in the water and give everything a good stir. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and simmer on low heat for about 15-20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and fluffy. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it with a fork and serve hot. This fenugreek-infused rice dish pairs well with a variety of curries, grilled meats, or can be enjoyed on its own. The unique flavor of fenugreek adds depth and richness to the dish, making it a standout addition to your culinary repertoire. So go ahead, embark on this culinary adventure and savor the delights of fenugreek in your cooking. In conclusion, fenugreek is a versatile herb with a rich history and a multitude of health benefits. It has been shown to have positive effects on digestion, blood sugar regulation, women's health, joint pain relief, weight management, male reproductive health, skin aging, and hair care. Incorporating fenugreek into your diet and skincare routines can help you harness its unique properties and improve your overall well-being. Whether you're looking to enhance your culinary experience, address specific health concerns, or simply explore natural remedies, fenugreek is an herb worth incorporating into your lifestyle. With its impressive range of benefits, fenugreek is a true powerhouse herb that continues to captivate and contribute to the well-being of individuals around the world. Please share, like, and subscribe our channel for more exciting contents.